Okay, so hi, sorry. Oh, this is the Maddies. Hi.
And I am Madison.
I'm Madeline, so the Maddies. And so we haven't posted
in like 2 months.
Well, I posted one video with Brooklyn when we
And
asked.
me and my friend Brookie's account, we figured out how to put like silent music in the background.
Alright. But today we are just gonna do we're gonna figure out what all we're gonna test all these slimes and choose which one is the best.
Have a jiggly.
And we're gonna show them and we're gonna show you guys all the slimes. So
first of all is a
Snow slime.
slime. It's a pink, it's really fluffy and soft. It's a little sticky, and how to make it is you take like under like a
no, we'll do that at the end.
Okay, I will tell you how to make
Well,
it.
we just say glossy slime, kind of normal slime, butter slime, dewy slime,
and
snow slime.
So let's get feeling. So we can put this down here and we can show them.
Oh, sorry, you might see my messy one. Okay.
So this is our first contestant here. That's the
Snow
snow
slime.
slime.
It's sticky.
It's sticky. Okay, so you can have half and half. We don't really need to see our faces.
And we're gonna rate them 1 through 10.
Yeah, so I rate this, since it's not really stretchy, I'm trying to make a bubble. I rated a 7 for the looks and how soft it is.
I rate it, I guess the same as you, but I rate it an 8.
Okay.
Actually, it's a little bit sticky since the first time I made it, so I rated it a 7. So this slime has 14
points. Alright, let's put this to the side.
Yeah, because that's sticky, so we're not gonna
Jiggly slime next. Mermaid jiggly.
It's so little. Jiggly, you can do way less with Jiggly.
So I rated a 4 because, jiggly is maybe like a 4.5, 5.
It feels good, like if your hands are dry though to play with.
Yeah.
So if your hands are dry, play with this Jiggly. Well,
What would you rate this?
I'd rate it a 4. It's kind of touchy. So this one was bought.
So maybe a 4.5.
So it's yeah, 4.5. So this one is 9.
We'll put this to the side. So this one is winning so far. The cloud is winning. The snow is winning so far. Next up is a ginormous pink. It's a kind of a mix between a regular slime and kind of a jiggly.
And it's 3 pounds.
It's 3 pounds.
This one's massive though. Snow slime, jiggly slime, and the glossy slime is mine.
And then the butter and this. We might have to add a hot water to this sometimes because if you don't, then it could get ruined or something. I don't know why, but okay.
So,
it's really good at making bubbles and all that. So I rate this a 9 because you can do like everything, or like a 9.5. The only reason I rate it a 9.5 is because it's kind of sticky.
You can do way more things with this than jiggly slime and snow slime. It is just amazing.
It's just so
Like we still like jiggly slime and snow slime. They are made to be different than normal slime.
Yeah.
But like you can just do way more things to keep you not being bored.
Yeah. And we might have to ask another YouTuber out there how to pause videos since we don't really have an actual YouTube camera. We have to do this on the phone.
Yeah.
We might need to buy a camera.
But we're only 10, so sorry that we don't have all those famous
We're just kind of doing it for fun.
Oh, that's good.
And it's really good. So I'm gonna rate this a 9.5. You?
I'd rate this a 9 since it's a little bit sticky.
Yeah.
And that just makes it harder to do bubbles since while you go through it it sticks to your hand like that.
A little bit, yeah.
Okay.
So let's put this back now.
Yeah.
Put the tap on it. And now we're gonna do, which one do you want, butter or glossy? We can do glossy last, is that okay?
Okay.
So this is once again mine. Once again mine. It's a butter. Oh, let's get a little bit more than that. Wait. So we might need to put a little hot water on this because
Yeah.
it's, okay, and what butter slime does, it like spreads. This is really nice. Yeah, we need to put a little bit of hot water on this. We'll do that later after the video or after we do something.
Oh, we could just do it right now.
Yeah, let's take a guess.
Yeah. No, we'll just, one of us will do it. Do you want me to do it or? You do it because you know how to do it.
I know
yeah.
how to put, how much to put in.
So I'll just talk to them. But like I was saying, we're 10. We're 10 years old, so we don't know how to do all those like edits, like cool edits but like actually I think it's kind of better that we're actually not doing edits. We're actually showing you like what we're actually doing, not like skipping things that we do wrong. We're actually showing you guys our true selves and like what we do wrong and all of that. So, but still, like I said, it would be cool to have all those edits, but we don't need them. No one does. I hand water. Don't know what to talk about. What to talk about. To talk about. What to talk about. Sorry, this video is boring.
I can't get the water to be hot. It just stays cold. I don't know why, but it still works.
That's not butter slime though, Lily. Okay, close the door.
Okay. I don't want all that loudness getting in the background.
Close it all the way. Gosh.
Here. See?
That still helped though.
Yeah. Ow.
I feel like bigger. Oh wait, it's because I had a small house. I was like, it feels bigger. That's the same amount. So I really like this, but no click.
And no bubbles.
So
I rated a 6 or a 7.
Yeah, the last one was 18, so I rate this 9.
I'd rate this a 8.5.
So that's 9 plus 8 is
0.5.
7.
9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 is
17 and a half.
17 and a half. So yeah, 17 and a half points. This one's winning so far.
18.
Let's see about glossy.
So now you just have to. They just have to be 18. Beat 18.
Here's her glossy.
I love the butter slime.
I put the butter
I
slime
can't
away.
stop playing with it.
Okay, and here's our glossy. It's kind of a darkish purple brown color. It's like a dark purple, kind of like a wine color. Sorry,
I can't stop playing with it.
Sorry if you guys are too young to hear that. It's kind of like a wine color with sparkles in it. Isn't that right?
But if you take it this way, this butter slime is like all butter slimes are more like kind of like Play-Doh, but at the same time like slime. So it's like Play-Doh mixed with
Play-Doh
slime.
mixed with slime, kind of mixed with a kind of a putty type.
Yeah. Some.
So this is glossy. It's really good. It's good at poke.
Yeah.
Good.
It's glossy.
And
If
then
you have
at
the whole
the
thing,
end,
if you have the whole thing, try making a bubble. It's small, so it's not that good at all. But it's actually really stretchy.
it won't make
Like
a bubble. I think
it
it'll
looks
be
small, but it's actually really
Do
stretchy.
you think maybe like if we do it like this, it'll make a bubble? Probably not, because it's a little too small.
Yeah, and then like we could do.
If it was like filled up to here, maybe. But it's right down here. Our friend is FaceTiming. Good answer. Hello.
Why didn't you answer?
We're doing our YouTube video.
Oh, no problem.
Oh, guys, go subscribe to Brooke Nedjabo.
Yeah, Brooklyn the Drebo. It's awesome channel. Sorry, she texted me. What just happened? Ooh. So,
we're having a mini fight right now. Okay, actually, not really fight, but okay. Let's just go with that. So yeah, we rate that one. I'd rate it like 7.5.
more like a 7. Well, I agree with her. 7.5 because it's a little small and you can't really do a bubble, but it's really good and stretchy.
So that one.
It's not so good at the poke.
That one
though.
won at 18, and then that one got second, and then this one got third.
Wait, this one got second?
Cause that one is at
14.
15. And we both did in a half, so 15.
Oh,
And this
15.
one was 13.
Didn't we rate that in 8? Wait.
I did this one 8, and
I
you
did that in
8
8.5. 16.5. That one's in second.
Oh yeah. Sorry. I'm bad at math.
It's okay.
Okay. Oh, this feels so good on my hand.
And now we're going to be telling you how to make these slimes, just in case you want to make them at home. First of all, I'll be telling you how to make a jiggly slime, snow slime, and glossy. Wait, then you want to do 2. Is that okay?
I'm gonna do glossy.
You want to do glossy? Okay, I don't really know how to make glossy. So jiggly, and then this one.
And I'll do butter slime. You do those 3. And I'll
Wait,
do
but
these 2.
I feel like I should do better slime because I actually know the ingredients, like the actual.
I do. You just make normal slime and add clay.
No, it's not. How
Yeah,
I made
you-
that one. Well, if you guys want to do how I made that one,
We'll both tell you for this one.
yeah, she'll tell you how.
So then I should tell this one. No, I'm gonna say this one because I don't know how to make normal slime very much. I don't actually.
It's just glue and activator and water.
True. Whatever.
Well, I guess I already told you.
So that was the first one. So it's say it again so they actually hear it.
Glue, water, and contact lens solution. Tide won't
And-
really work so well.
Food dye if you want to color it.
Yeah, that's just an extra.
Now, how to make that's what we both telling now. How to make jiggly slime. You just make normal slime, so same as that. Glue, water, and activator, and food dye if you want to change the color. And add a
ton of
bunch of
water.
water, and
Ton
then
of water.
it turns jiggly.
And now, snow slime. Use regular glue, and then make a regular slime. Then add the fluff of a Huggies or a diaper.
Yeah, it's weird.
Use under
but
the pad, the fluff. You put it in here, and it'll make a snow. It's kind of weird, but it actually turns out to be really soft and really fluffy and really smooth on your hands.
Well, that's one of the fluff, but I forgot what the other fluff was called. So that's one way. Well, one fluff.
I
that
guess you can
use.
also use fluff. Instead of using a diaper, you can just actually buy fluff or something.
I don't know if that.
I
would work.
think Pampers.
And then
diapers.
I can't stop playing with that. Then glossy slime. Make normal slime. You add grease and a little bit of water.
Okay, and I'll be telling you how I made this slime first, and then she'll tell you how to make the original version. So first of all, you use glue, you use clay, obviously, you use food dye if you want to. You can use glitter, use activator, and you can use lotion to make it really smooth and kind of more stretchy. And if you want, you can add other decorations to it, and she'll tell you how to make the original version.
One more thing. So I know there's other ways to make glossy slime, but this is how I made glossy slime. I just made normal slime and added grease and water.
There's many slimes to make
And
out
then-
there.
This is actually the normal way to make butter slime is the way you said basically. But the easiest way, if you just want plain butter slime, just make a normal slime without
I
food
would
dye.
prefer magic, magic model.
Yeah,
slime.
that.
And if you want to color it without food dye or paint, then get colorful
Acrylic paint.
or colorful magic model clay.
Yeah, because then that'll just color it.
And
Exactly.
also, you know how food dye can get on your hands if you add way too much, and how paint can also smush your hands, like if you add too much and all that. So use acrylic paint. That works
A lot.
a lot better. Do you hear that? It's just so soft.
So, what's your favorite slime out of all of these slimes?
Yeah, comment down below, and then comment down below what you want us to do for our next video.
And we'll say what. So, my favorite slime.
Smash the subscribe button.
My favorite slimes, I have two. It's this one. Obviously, that's why I keep playing with it. And this one. It's so big.
My favorite.
And it's just normal slime. So,
My favorites are this. I have two
Yeah.
favorites. Is this and this too.
oh, so we have the same ones.
And I also say the glossy too, which is really nice too.
But just small, so.
It's just a little too small. This is also really small.
But we could make it bigger if we made more.
I know I can't get this out of my hands, but since I can't really do anything, you know, it's not really one of my favorites. I just still can't get it out of my hand because it's so soft.
This one feels so
Feels like
nice.
I'm putting on baby milk powder.
No, but it's like kind of smells like crackers, I feel like.
Why do you keep saying it smells like crackers?
It does.
Let me smell.
It smells
Oh,
like
it smells like
crackers.
crackers. No, let's see how they smell. This literally smells like a baby diaper.
Yeah.
Let's see what this one smells. Ew! What does that smell like?
It smells good. It smells like,
Let's see what this smells like.
strawberry. No, not strawberry. What is this called?
This one kind of smells like.
I'm going to add a little bit of that into that. It's like a touch of it. Oh, that's a little bit too much I wanted
Okay.
to add. So ready? I'm going to add that.
This one kind of smells like paint.
Ready? I'm going to mix it.
Okay, this one kind of smells like paint.
It smells like acrylic paint.
Yeah, maybe it is made from acrylic paint. You never know. Let's see what this one smells like. This one probably smells like dirty gym socks. I was right. It smells like dirty gym socks.
No, it smells like just like a normal slime kind of.
Yeah, it smells like a normal slime when it gets a little like old. But when you like first get like a slime, it'll kind of smell like brand new. But when you like after like 2 weeks or 3 weeks, maybe a month, you know.
It's been 17 minutes.
Oh.
Sorry, this video is also long, but it's a catch up.
And there's many slimes you can make, like fluffy snow floor slime.
We're not gonna tell all of them. So.
Yeah, I'm just gonna list a couple. Glossy, jiggly. Did I already say floor slime? Floor slime.
Hair slime from Miranda Sings. Hair slime.
Ugh, hair slime. You put hair in your slime.
Oh yeah, cat slime. She put the cat foot in the slime.
Oh, wait, what is it called? Oh, jelly cube slime.
Comment down below who's your favorite YouTuber.
I'm kidding. I think one of my favorites. So here's technically kind of a shout out to my favorite YouTubers, which are I have 5 favorites. I know, I just can't pick. I like Cole and Sap, but they changed their channel to the LeBron family. But fam is short for family. And then another one, I haven't watched this one in a long time, but it's Ellie and Jared. I haven't seen them. I haven't listened to their videos in a long time. The Merrill twins. They're funny.
Is that all?
I said I have 5. What are my 2 others?
Okay.
Brooklyn Bailey's also pretty good. Yeah, I like what they do on their channel too.
Oh, okay. Another funny channel if you want to be cheered up, like from something sad. They're funny.
And my favorite is Brooklyn Ninja Bo.
Nejabo.
Well, Ninja Bo, yeah. And our channel of
Avi.
Avi, obviously. Avi.
Okay. But if you another channel that would cheer you up from something sad, they're funny, they're amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so funny. The newest nuts.
Huh?
They're actually called the newest nuts.
The snots?
Newest. You're mean. The
What?
newest nuts.
The Norris nuts?
Yeah.
I thought you said snot.
Okay, and then also coincide the webcam and the Ace family.
Sorry if I'm saying your last name wrong. What? What did you say? Oh, that YouTube family!
No, Ace family.
I know, but I'm saying that YouTube family is one of my other favorites too. They have hilarious videos.
What's going on?
I think the one
Oh, yeah.
that inspires me is Jordan because she loves slime. So
If you're a
does
true
Audrey.
Ace family member, comment down below what the Ace family, like mainly Austin, what does he say at the start of every single YouTube video? If you're a true Ace family member, you should know that. Okay, bye. This is 20 minutes.
Okay, we're gonna be adding
Subscribe,
10.
comment below what you want the next video to be about. Comment down below.
Smash that subscribe button.
Favorite YouTube channel.
If you want to follow her on, what do you
And comment down below if you know what Austin mainly starts out saying in every single video on Ace Family. Bye.
Bye.